This is the lab note on Numberlines. My name is Art Bardage. Spreadsheets are easy to use once we learn functional thinking. When we think functionally, we have an input which gets transformed into an output using a rule. So in this introduction to spreadsheets, we will learn to make rules to build number lines. We'll start with the counting numbers, starting with 1. A rule to make the next counting number would simply say add 1 to the previous number. In spreadsheets, we start all rules with an equal sign. So to write my rule, I start with the number in the previous cell, that is J9, J being the column and 9 being the row. And then I'd add 1, just add 1. When I press enter, my spreadsheet computes the rule and shows me the output, which is 2. Now I could insert a new rule in each cell and create this number line that way, or I can use copy and paste. So I copy the rule that I put into cell K9, which gave me the output of 2, and paste it in all the rest of the cells. And the spreadsheet automatically fills in that rule for each cell and gives me my counting number line. In the second number line, I simply add 2 to each of the numbers in the previous cell so that I get the odd numbers. In the third number line, I added 2 starting with the number 2 so that I created the even numbers. And in the fourth number line, I added 3 to the starting input of 3 into each cell, and I created the counting by threes. I can count by fives, starting with 50. I can count by hundreds, starting with 100, or any number you'd like. And when you see the triple hash marks, that simply is saying that the number is physically too big to fit into the cell. So it's not that the cell doesn't understand it has that number in there, it's just too big for it to display. So you can either make your display bigger by increasing the width of your cells, or you can make your numbers smaller. Using functional thinking and building rules with spreadsheets lets you build any kind of number line you want. So in What If, we ask you to build a number line going backwards, starting with 16 and counting down instead of counting up. Try that and try a whole variety of different number lines at your pleasure, and be sure to make your number lines smaller or larger as you see fit. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.